Hi guys, welcome to Reno's kitchen. Today we are gonna do a very simple one of Korean dishes. This is gonna be an awesome recipe that you can whip up very quickly. Totally the cooking time is just like 5 minutes, but it will take less than a minute to actual cook. And of course I guarantee the taste is good. Okay, here we go.
There are 2 ingredients that you need. Spring onions, 2 eggs. That's it. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Mix this up. Mix very well so that the white and yellow blend together. And add the water, less than a paper cup. And we need spring onions. Actually, traditionally, Korean uses scissors while cooking. Just garnish a little bit of spring onions here. Sprinkle some salt. Mix it up, wrap it up, and make some holes. Guys, that's it. Just 5 minutes. And take the bowl out of the microwave. Do you see that? Oh, be careful, it's hot. Just touch a sesame oil. It is just an option. This is gonna give it a nice taste. Try the simple and quick steamed egg. It is really nice. Then I will be back with a quick and easy recipe next time. Bye!